Okay, what's up you guys? Thank you so much for tuning back into my channel. And yes, I'm a bad army. Yes, I am. V dropped Rainy Days 4 weeks ago. 4 weeks ago. Instead of coming up with a bullshit ass excuse, I'm going to get right into this video because I am excited. Slow dancing is very good, very beautiful, very just melodic and just everything that it needs to be. So this is Rainy Days. I'm expecting maybe something around that sense. I really didn't see much about this on TikTok or anything else. I'm not on Instagram like that, you know? So really just kind of TikTok and YouTube. And I didn't really see much going on with this like this, you know? So I guess without further ado, let's just get into it. 3, 2, 1. Let's see there. Loops go wheeling. Oh, this is very artistic. Oh, these instrumentals. Oh, he's such an OST queen, king. Not queen, guys, you know what I mean. The Kim Taehyung brand is such an aesthetic. I wish it was raining outside. It's about to rain. I love that damn dog. Haven't changed, still the same me. Is this whole thing in English? Oh, this is so smooth. Oh, that was beautiful. Oh.
Remember how I used to make
the
most.
That's cool.
Let me make up for all the time we lost. We can start again, open all the doors. Don't tell me it's over. We can start it over.
That is dope.
Yeah, I can feel your touch. I remember your kiss.
Is that a piece of nobody but Kim Taehyung? Nobody. Can you believe back in the day people was calling this man alien? Oh, that is beautiful. That wave on the top. That man is one of the most aesthetic. Let me tell you something. BTS, them are some motherfucking visionaries. Do you hear me? Their solos, their group projects, like the rappers to the singers. People, these aesthetics that they're setting for themselves is some of the most beautiful things in the world. Do you know what is coming for armies when everything's wrapped up and everybody's back together officially, no obligations to anything else anymore? We're dying. There's going to be a mass genocide, right, of the entire armies. And I have never, ever welcomed mass genocide more than I do right now. This video right here is just another example of why I have stanned this group since 2015. They have always made me feel something very special, very much so grounded in something very pure and very intentional with how they want you to feel and how they want you to grasp them. Like when it comes down to BTS, unless it's theories from like, you know, most beautiful moment in life type shit, you can pretty much gather and guess what each member is trying to tell you, or what they want you to convey, or I guess what they want to convey to you, the listener. And it always hits different to somebody who is in army versus someone who's a casual listener, which is why this is just a really good example of why these boys deserve to be where they're at. And they're going to stay there. That's all I have to say about this one. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel. I, me, you, we, and the Our Insomnias. Thank you so much, and I will be seeing you guys in the next one.